You can make more profit from the same audience without creating a single new product. The secret is in how you package what you already have. When you get bundling right, you're not just selling more, you're selling smarter. Today, you'll learn how to create a digital product bundle that makes people feel like they're getting an unbeatable deal while also increasing your average order value. You'll see how to choose the right products, price them so customers happily pay more, and design upsells that feel natural instead of pushy. You'll know exactly how to turn a group of digital products into a sales machine that grows your revenue without extra production work. Why bundle? Let's use a simple example to make everything clear. Let's say you run a small online business teaching drawing. You already sell an ebook on drawing basics, a video course showing you how to put those basics into practice, and a set of printable worksheets for daily practice. Each product does well on its own, but none of them are reaching their full potential. Bundling changes that. The first thing to understand is that digital products are perfect for bundling because you don't have manufacturing or shipping costs eating into your margins. Once they're created, the cost of delivering another copy is almost nothing. That means any increase in order size is almost pure profit. Studies in e-commerce show that bundling products that solve related problems makes customers more likely to buy and more satisfied with their purchase. When you combine products in a way that clearly makes sense, you make the decision easier for your customers and you make the sale more profitable for you. Bundling works well not just because it increases revenue, but because it helps customers. People are busy and don't want to spend time piecing together solutions. A well-made bundle removes the guesswork. It's like buying a ready-to-use toolkit instead of picking out every tool separately. Customers appreciate the clarity and the sense that they're making a smart purchase. Step 1. Pick your bundle products wisely. To start, your bundle needs to solve a complete problem. If your products are random and unrelated, the bundle will feel forced and customers will ignore it. In our drawing example, the ebook teaches the concepts. The video course demonstrates those concepts, and the worksheets give the buyer the tools to practice. That's a logical and complete solution for someone who wants to learn drawing from scratch. If you had instead paired the ebook with a digital guide on baking bread, you'd just confuse people. Step 2. Set your bundle price. Your bundle price needs to make customers feel like they're getting a better deal than buying everything separately. If your ebook is $30, your video course is $70, and your worksheets are $20, buying them individually costs a total of $120. If you offer the bundle for $100, the customer saves $20. That's a tangible saving, and one they can calculate in seconds. People respond better to clear, simple math than vague promises about value. The way you present the pricing matters as much as the price itself. Don't just put the bundle on your store and hope people notice. Show the individual prices next to the bundle price so the difference is undeniable. Use a line through the total of the separate items, place the new price next to it, and make sure the saving amount is easy to see. Even a simple "save $20" note can make a big difference. But keep this in mind. Don't make the bundle discount too large. While you want customers to feel like they're getting a deal, slashing prices too much can make the individual products seem overpriced. This can backfire if you ever want to sell them separately again at full price. A discount that's meaningful but not extreme is usually the sweet spot. Step 3. Upsell. Once you've secured the bundle sale, the next step is to increase the average order value with an upsell. This is where you offer an additional product immediately after the customer commits to the bundle. The key is to offer something directly related that enhances their purchase. In the drawing example, you could offer a one-on-one critique session where you review their first few drawings. Pricing it at around 20% of the bundle price makes it feel affordable. If the bundle is $100, offering the critique for $20 or $25 is an easy decision for a motivated customer. When you're creating your upsell, remember it's not about pushing the customer to spend more at all costs. It's about offering them something they'll genuinely benefit from. If your upsell feels like a natural extension of the bundle, customers will see it as added value rather than a sales tactic. This not only increases conversions, but also strengthens trust in your brand. Timing is also key here. The best time for an upsell is right after the purchase decision has been made, but before the transaction is fully complete. This can be on the checkout confirmation page or even as a limited-time post-purchase offer via email within the first 24 hours. Research shows that targeted post-purchase upsells can increase revenue by 10% or more without adding extra advertising costs. The design of your upsell page should be clean, focused, and free of distractions. Don't overwhelm your customer with 3 different offers. One relevant upsell is all you need. Offering too many options creates decision fatigue and can make the customer abandon the upsell entirely. Keep the message short, show how the upsell complements the bundle, and make it easy to accept with one click. As well as the upsell, you can introduce small incentives to push the order value slightly higher. For example, you could offer an exclusive bonus pack if the order total exceeds a certain amount. Even for digital products, this could be something like a set of advanced practice sheets or a bonus video. This technique plays on the same principle as free shipping thresholds in physical product sales. By setting the bonus unlock just above your bundle price, you encourage customers to add the upsell or another product to qualify. Step 4. Sequence your funnel strategically. Think of the bundle, upsell, and follow-up as a single system rather than separate tactics. The bundle increases the initial sale, the upsell boosts it further, and the follow-up extends the customer relationship. Together, they maximize average order value and create a cycle of sales that keeps paying off over time. The beauty of this approach is that it works whether you're selling educational content, creative tools, templates, or any other kind of digital product. The principles stay the same. Choose complementary products, price the bundle attractively, add a relevant upsell, and follow up with future offers. When you put it into practice, the results can be surprisingly quick. Customers who might have spent $30 on a single ebook could end up spending $120 on a bundle and upsell without hesitation. And because your costs are so low, most of that extra revenue goes straight to your bottom line. This strategy doesn't require aggressive marketing or huge ad budgets. In many cases, simply reorganizing your funnel and repricing what you already have can unlock a lot of hidden revenue. That makes it one of the most efficient ways to grow your business without taking on extra risk. When you're building your funnel, start by showcasing the individual products so customers understand their standalone value. Then present the bundle as the smarter choice. In your store, make sure the bundle is easy to find and highlight the savings in every place it appears. In the cart, remind customers that they could save more by upgrading to the bundle. After the purchase, deliver the upsell offer clearly and quickly. Step 5. Track performance. Once your bundle and upsell are in place, you need to track how they're performing. The most important metric is average order value, which you calculate by dividing total revenue by the number of orders. Watch this number before and after launching your bundle to see if it's working. At the same time, track your profit margin to make sure the discounts aren't cutting too deeply into your earnings. Some business owners get excited by bigger order sizes but don't notice that their margins have dropped so low that profits actually shrink. Fortunately, this tends to be less of a problem with digital products, but it's still worth keeping an eye on. Step 6. Test and tweak. Testing different variations can make a big difference. You might try a slightly higher or lower bundle price to see where the best balance between conversion and profit lies. You can also experiment with upsell pricing, placement, and even the exact upsell product. Sometimes a small change in wording or presentation can massively boost uptake. The way you present your bundle matters almost as much as what's in it. Use visuals to show the components together. For the drawing example, an image with the ebook cover, a screenshot from the video, and a preview of the worksheets instantly tells the buyer what they're getting. Adding a short description of how each component helps them reach their goal reinforces the value. Step 7. Follow up. Follow up is where many sellers leave money on the table. Once someone has bought your bundle, they're an ideal candidate for related offers later. You could create an advanced bundle for returning customers or offer seasonal updates like holiday-themed drawing worksheets. Send these offers via email, framing them as exclusive opportunities for past customers. This not only increases lifetime value, but also encourages repeat visits to your store. You can even use feedback from bundle buyers to improve future bundles. Ask them what they liked most, what felt missing, and what extra they'd be willing to pay for. These insights can guide your next product creation and make sure that your bundles keep getting better. Bundling isn't about squeezing every last cent from your customers. It's about creating offers that are too good to pass up because they make sense and deliver real value. When you get that balance right, you'll see your average order value climb, your profits grow, and your customers come back for more. That's the simple truth. Selling smarter beats selling more every time. And with the right bundle, you can do both. Which of your digital products are you thinking of bundling? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.